Burlington, looking at some more purses. Ooh. Ooh. That's cute. This one's cute. Anything?
One for Michael Kors.
Oh. Getting a new hair comb. Hopefully it worked nicely. Look at this design. It's kind of fun. A little bit too bold for me, but you know what? $10.99, that's not bad. All right, let's see what we got. Nah, not a fan of it. It is. This one's cute though, this jacket. Shacket, they call it. Looks empty. What was that?
I just moved something.
Oh. Oh god, look at the brats. Lots of jackets to choose from. Fluffy teddy bear style. The shackets. Lots and lots. Got some Christmas slippers. Not my type, but you can always gift it to someone. That's a quick little tour in Burlington. We're gonna go pay. I just got this brush right here. What is that? That's so cute. Dog toys for Sammy. So cute. Let's go to the checkout. Ooh, there's some snacks over here. What is that, chocolate? Oh, socks. That's cute. I'm gonna go to Auntie Annie's Mola's bag. We're at the food court. We're here. The line is gone. This is what I got. What Lola got. We're gonna share. We're just sitting down for a bit to eat a little bit. Look at my drink. It's a strawberry one.